guys, welcome to a video. Now it's morning and it's super duper bright. But all I want to say is I repaired my model plane and it wasn't a lot of fun. I'm not sure if you can see all the glue that's trapped under there. I mean, my dad did it for me 2 times and it broke. Anyways, the model plane can roll on the floor again. Let me take it off the stand. And there it is. It's very fragile. For now, it can roll a bit. And also I pasted the landing gear a bit wrong. So now automatically when I roll it, it will just start moving to the side. And if I want it to move forward, I'm gonna have to be real careful because I don't want it to break or anything. I also made this 787 glider, which is practically not even accurate to real life. Even this thing, which I'm pretty sure is based off the 787 with that sharp winglet, is even more accurate. But by far the plane that's most accurate to real life is this A350. I dare you to search B301D because this plane would literally come up. There are also a bunch of other Panda livery aircraft, but this one is the one that I have. And my camera just died. Oh great. Anyways, I'm out. Bye.